This is really an amazing Christmas gift. This is an amazing gift for yourself. So you're going to first start with the Dew Cleanser. I wash my face with the Dew Cleanser. Sobrang konti lang po yung kailangan nyo. After the Dew Cleanser, kayo po ay magto-toner.
The toner has 10 hyaluronic acids. It also has niacinamide, adenosine, Madeca complex for healing your skin. It's also amazing for minimizing pores, ang Madeca complex.
Yes.
Doon mo makikita talaga na super
Good
high quality yung mga ingredients na gamit ng isang produkto. Kung gaano kabilis sipsipin na ang inyong skin.
Exactly.
Diba?
And it's there already. So good. So after your toner, you are going to then use the ampule.
Yes.
You're going to use the ampule. Guys, day and night, pwede po itong gamitin. Day or night, pwede rin po gamitin, no problem. So I just put the toner, so I'm going to put the ampule
Oh,
first.
the ampule is amazing.
This is the best ampule.
It's the same as toner. It has 10 hyaluronic acids. It has AHA, BHA, PHA, very mild level. And it also has Madeca complex, niacinamide, adenosine. Pero dinagdagan pa namin ng mas magandang ingredient. The favorite mo?
This has ceramide.
Ceramide.
This has ceramide, so
Yes.
that protects your skin barrier. And this also has vitamins. This
Vitamin
one,
complex,
ito yung absorption niya sa skin
Tingnan
is
mo, wala
amazing.
na. Wala na na-absorb
Sobra.
na.
And you see how glassy it is already right away?
Yes.
Right after using it. Wala pong filter yung ano ko ha.
Wala ka ng filter.
Wala.
Tingnan nyo naman, oh.
Ito
Raw
na yun.
talaga.
Super raw. No makeup, nothing.
The ampule is the ampule to beat talaga. Lahat ng mga paborito ng ingredients for ampule, siniksik namin
Nandyan. After the ampule, you are going to use the cream that you are going to love.
It's so addicting.
Sobra. Sobra.
You're gonna miss the smell.
Alam mo, gusto mo siyang i-rub all over
Your body.
Kasi it's so
kung,
nice.
Kung sobrang yaman mo, you wanna bathe in it.
Sobra. Oh my God. Our Glow Vita Cream, ito, grabe. Yung consistency po nito is like, even the smell right now, you're gonna love it.
Yeah. The smell.
The
Can I
smell.
just say,
It's like-
yung pinaka-upgrade nitong cream na to is the consistency and the smell. Napansin mo ba, mas sorbet, mas parang ice cream na siya ngayon.
Sobra. It's so...
Yung travel size, ang ganda-ganda na ng cream. Pero etong regular size, ginandahan pa namin
Mas
lalo.
tinodo, mas
yung
tinodo to, grabe.
ingredients, the same ingredients, but better formulation so that you
Oh
get...
my God. When you massage it onto your face, it's like so good.
And ang bango, na-apply ko siya dito, pero it's a natural kind of smell.
And the last step during the day is your sun serum. This is your tune-up sun serum with glutathione.
Kailangan talaga mag-sunblock, guys. Alam nyo, huwag nyo talaga snabin ang sunblock because the sunblock is going to protect your skin all day long. Tapos ito rin talaga yung finishing touch.
Guys, kalimutan nyo na lahat, huwag yung sunblock.
Huwag sunblock.
Yun talaga.
You really need to put sunblock every day. Kahit feeling nyo, hindi naman kayo really lumalabas ng bahay or outdoor activities, the fact that lumabas kayo ng bahay or even inside the house, all these lights,
Yes.
meron niyang UV rays. So you need to really protect your skin talaga. You're going to love all of these products. If you're a lover of Vida travel size, etong regular size na yung matagal nyo nang hinihintay. Diba?
You are going to love it.
Look
Grabe.
at that. Look at that.
Porcelain-like glow.
OMG, ang ganda.
Porcelain-like glow. And then ready na. Never na ako nagbe-makeup.
Oo nga, never
Never.
talaga. Super.
Eto na lang.
And it really tones up, pero it
Tone up, pero
absorbs.
hindi siya white cast.
Oo
Ang ganda
nga.
ng pag-absorb sa
Oo.
kanya.
This is 3-in-1. 3-in-1. Glutathione skincare.
It's sun serum,
Yes.
sun care,
Yes.
there's serum, and then there's glutathione whitening. So it's really good.
And then guys, you know, this one has 3 types of collagen. Ang ating Vida Sun Serum, meron din siyang 3 type ng collagen. And that is going to make your skin really bouncy and tight throughout the day. Talagang nakakadagdag siya sa plump glass skin. So it has 3 types of collagen. It has glutathione, okay? And then, it has powerful sun protection, SPF 50, PA+++, and of course, it is a natural tone-up effect as well. So talagang skincare, sunblock, and tone-up in one. So triple care talaga siya in one. Tsaka yung mga ingredients na nilagay namin dito, syempre sobrang ganda again, right? So adenosine, niacinamide for brightening, whitening, anti-aging. And then there's glutathione for further whitening and brightening. So the more you use it, the more you will feel or you will see the brightening effect in your skin. And then, yung natural tone-up. Huwag kalimutan ng leeg, always.
Ako nga inuna ko yung leeg ko eh.
Oh, yes.
Inuna ko pa yung
always.
leeg ko because I really want you to see
Okay,
the
yan.
tone
Tapos
of...
na.
That's it.
Diba?
That's
it. Ito na ako.
Buo na.
Throughout
On the whole day.
Yes.
Ito na yung look the whole day.
Kasi pinaghirapan namin to.
Sobra. It's like pearl. Actually, there are really all
Jewel
pearls.
to, yes.
Yeah.
Pearl powder.
Pearl
so there's
powder.
Pearl powder. So meron talaga siyang glowy, parang para shine effect.
Parang porcelain.
Yes.
Parang you have porcelain-like skin.
Yes.
Parang porcelain talaga yung balat mo. Parang yung sinasabing balat porcelana.
Ito na yun. Ito na yun.
Yung kanina na parang, yes, maganda yung skin ko, pero ngayon,
It's-
level up.
yeah, level
After
up
using
talaga.
the Vida Skincare,
Yes,
level up.
level up.
But here, this is everything you need. This is the entire set.
Yes.
So do check it out. This is a nice gift for your loved ones, for yourself.
Yes.
Mother-in-law mo, bigyan mo ng ganito,
Oh,
di ba?
yes.
Ikaw na yung
Bigyan-
mamanahan ka na.
Yeah.
Mamanahan ka ng mother-in-law
And
mo.
mother-in-law ko, social.
Ay,
She
yes.
is very, very social.
Yes.
Pero, pag binigay ko to, she will use it.
She'll be like, wow,
Hindi ako
guys,
mapapahiya.
Hindi ako mapapahiya.
Hindi talaga
Sobra, hindi ako mapapahiya.
She spends like 20,000-30,000 easy for skincare. Pag binigay ko to sa kanya, she'll be like, oh, I like your product.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Yes, exactly. Ako, sure ako. Yun ang sure ko. Pag meron akong binigyan ng Vida pack na to, hindi
Yeah.
ako mapapahiya.
Hindi talaga.
Hindi ako mapapahiya.
You are going to love this. And you know what? Kung gusto mo sumipsip sa boss mo, ito ibibigay mo.
Eto na, malapit ka na ma-promote. It's okay for pregnant people. Yes, definitely.
Pregnant and
Lactating moms,
lactating
okay,
moms.
no problem.
And you can actually even use this on teenagers. So again, mild formulation po tayo. It's hypoallergenic. Wala po tayong ginamit ng comedogenic ingredients. This has all the regular size, including the sun serum, right? And then meron pang travel size.
Oh my
So this
God.
one is a complete set for Christmas gift. Special box. Super
Super
ganda ng
ganda.
box.
It's so nice. This is
Limited
the-
edition.
Sobra.